Today I'm going to write German test and I'll explain you the reasons why and what is the correct answer in English. So let's start. And this is for both A1.1 and A1.2. And if you're going to write B1 exam, of course this is very basic. Please do have a look in this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in this video. I'll get back to you. The first question, wie geht es dir im neuen Job? Gut, danke. Die Bezahlung ist gut. Und. So you're saying, someone is asking, hey, how is it going for you in your new job? You're saying, hey, thanks for asking. The payment is really good, salary is good. And you're saying something more is also good is what you want to say, because you have started it positively. So which sentence is going to suit here? Sind die Kollegen nett? It's like a question, so this is wrong. Nett sind die Kollegen. Again, this order is wrong. So what you want to say is, here is and then you want to say as usual subject and then verb, like die Kollegen sind nett. Usually if you want to say my colleagues are nice, you have to use this form. The net will be at the end, so this is the correct form. Here it is wrong because net, nice, the word is in between the subject, the Kollegen, and the verb. So this is the correct one. Die Kollegen sind nett is the correct one. Heute regnet es. Today it is raining, and then you have to fill. Können die Kinder nicht draußen spielen? So you are saying it's raining, therefore the kids cannot play outside. So what will be the right word? So the while is like it's raining, so something like that, yeah, because deshalb is the most correct one, and it is matching here with the meaning and the sentence and the words formed here. Deshalb können die Kinder nicht spielen. If you use while, the verb will come in the end, but the sentence format will be different. And I will also create a separate video with while and deshalb and how the order of words will change based on these words. Okay, the thus, deshalb, or while. So here, most correct is deshalb. So you are saying it's raining, therefore the kids cannot play outside. Deshalb. Warum gehst du heute nicht arbeiten? So you're asking, why are you not going to work today? And here you could see while. This is a very good example. While, whenever you have while, because then the verb will come at the end. So that is the easiest form. So directly you can say no to this one and this one. And only option is either this or this. But here, generally, if you write while, you have to say then end verb ich krank bin. Warum gehst du heute nicht arbeiten? Weil ich krank bin. This is the correct form. Again, as I said already, I'll definitely create a video so that you could easily understand how the words are formed. So here is while. So this is the correct form. The verb should be at the end. Ich krank bin, while I'm sick. That's the correct one, because I'm sick. Let's select that one. Eva, hast du dash Handy gesehen? So somebody is asking Eva, have you seen? Whose handy is what we have to write now. Have you seen the handy, right? And Eva answers, yes, dein Handy. So it's your handy liegt auf dem Tisch. So Eva is answering, yes, I saw your handy and it is on the table. So when here we have to fill like my handy. Have you seen my handy? When you are asking Eva, hast du mein Handy gesehen? Okay, so you can also guess the suffix of the word from here. If you do not remember what will be the ending whether it is meinen handy or meines handy or mein handy. Handy is das handy, right? So you have to say here, for example, here is the tip. It's already half of the answer is already in the question. So you could easily break the answer here. It's mein handy. Let's select mein handy. Welchen Pulli findest du? So we have to fill it. So somebody is asking which one is here, which one is better or beautiful. We have to find out what suits best. Let's see the rest of the sentence and find out. So somebody is asking which one is better, the white color, diesen weißen oder diesen roten. So somebody is asking which color suits better, the white one or the red one. Somebody answers, diese rote Pulli hier gefällt mir besser als der weiße. Somebody's answer here, the red color one is more suitable or it's better than the other for me. So here it is a comparison. It is not the best. If it is the best, you will generally have if you have to select the best, or you will have shown as 10. So here it is not here. So definitely this is not the correct one, and here it is a comparison of two. So which one is better? Schöner, yeah, is the correct one. Welchen Pulli findest du schöner? Definitely not shown. This is also wrong. You're comparing two of them. So which one is better? This one. Das ist eine Einbahn. Das ist eine Einbahn. Hier die Autos nicht reinfahren. You're saying this is a one-way street. Here autos are not allowed to drive in this direction. Yeah. So when you want to say, yeah, this is a really nice question, you have to understand the difference between must not, would not, should not, and you're not allowed to. So in Germany, you have to say, das ist eine Einbahn, hier dürfte man, oder hier dürfen die Autos nicht reinfahren. Hier dürfen die Autos nicht fahren is the correct one. You are saying it is not allowed to drive in this direction. So because it is a one-way street, you are not allowed to drive inside in the other direction. So the other ones are not suitable. It's very highly saying it's completely not allowed. It's 100% not allowed. So it is dürfen is the most correct one. It's not like should not, would not, must not. You are not allowed. This is the most correct one. Okay, Joachim, kommst du mit? Someone is asking Joachim, are you going to come together? He's saying no, nein, ich habe keine Zeit. He's saying I'm not coming because I do not have time. Ich kann jetzt leider, which word? Unfortunately, I cannot come with. Ich kann jetzt leider nicht mit is the correct one, because other words are not suitable here for making this sentence. So let's select nicht. You could ask why it is not kein, nie, nein. Probably I'll create one more video to identify the differences where it is the nicht could be used and kein, so that you will understand it more. Nie is like nothing. The answer is nothing. Nein is like no, but again it is not. Here you can see how we use nein. No, ich kann jetzt leider. Nein mit is not the correct one. Nicht mit is the correct one. Gefällt dir die Stadt? Asking, do you like the city? Yeah. This is the name of the place. Ja, Wien is shown. Hier kann dash viele Orte besuchen. So what is most suitable here? Generally when we say we can also say you can see most of the places, then you have to say here kannst du viele Orte besuchen. Here it is written kann, so du is not correct, even s is not correct. Here it's a general sentence, like anybody can visit many places in this place or location. So here kann man viele Orte besuchen. If you could have had kannst, here kannst, then you can write du. Here kannst du viele Orte besuchen is correct, but here since it is written kann man, here kann man, it's a very general sentence, like anybody can visit a lot of places here. This is what the meaning. Was willst du am Wochenende machen? What would you like to do in the weekend? Ich möchte ins Kino gehen. I would like to go to the cinema and dash mir gerne den neuen Film mit Grigori Cloni ansehen. So you would like to go to the cinema and you would like to see the new film. So what will be the most suitable one? Ich möchte ins Kino gehen. Then möchte ich mir gerne, or then ich möchte. Generally, if you use then, ich should be next to it. So most correct one is this one. So you can say no to this one because the order of the words is wrong here. Then ich möchte seems to be most correct. And while we already saw examples how while, will be, and sentence formation could be. So let's go for then ich möchte. Denn ich möchte mir gern den neuen Film mit Grigori Cloni ansehen. So this is the correct one. Kommst du heute? Will you come today? No. Nein, heute habe ich leider keine Zeit. No, today I do not have time. Dash, morgen komme ich gern. So you would like to say, I would like to come tomorrow. You cannot say because. If you could have say because, there is no verb at the end, directly you can say no. And oda is like or. That is also not more suitable. You are saying instead of today, I do not have time tomorrow, instead, or but. So then you can say aber, but I will come tomorrow. But is aber. That's the most correct one. Kann ich Ihnen helfen? Can I help you? Yes, ja bitte. Ich suche ein gutes Parfüm. Gutes Parfüm. You could understand the gender of perfume here. Okay, you are saying yes, ich kann Ihnen dash empfehlen. So I can suggest you, right? Which one? So here you could see gutes Parfüm. With that itself you could understand what will be the suffix easily. So it is more likely, because we are talking about the perfume here, ich kann Ihnen dieses empfehlen. Dieses is replacing the perfume, and you could easily guess the ending. Welches Auto gefällt dir? Here it is a little bit tricky, so here I will definitely create a new video. So you could see welches. For these welches you have already have dieses, and you are seeing which auto is more suitable to you, or which auto do you like. You are saying this silver color auto, right? Dieses dash Auto schaut sehr gut aus. So you're saying this silver color auto looks awesome or really nice. So for that we have to check. Here it is a little bit difficult, complex. So for that reason, please do subscribe. I'll definitely create a separate video and help you with this ending. Let's see. So if this is not correct, the most correct one is here, silberne Auto. Was wünschst du dir zum Geburtstag? what would you wish to have for your birthday? I wish dash eine neue Jacke. Ich wünsche dash eine neue Jacke. I wish a new jacket. So when you're wishing, I wish myself, right? So it is mir. Ich wünsche mir. Already ish is there. Once again, you cannot write that here. So it is, somebody is asking, what do you wish, right? It's not for somebody else. Then you could go for third person, or when it is wünsche, you could already understand it has to be here, right? It's not a mish, it is more of wünsche mir. Dative. Okay, let's go for next one. Sehr geehrte Frau Huber, danke for Ihre email. So here it is written with a lot of respect. Sehr geehrte Frau. It's really understood. Somebody is writing an email in a very respectful form. I have already created a video how to write emails in respectful and formal and informal way. So you will understand what should be the ending for such a email or letter. Ihre Bestellung wurde soeben versandt. Bei Fragen stehe ich Ihnen gerne zur Verfügung. So Alex Rice is writing, okay? So bis bald, liebe Grüße, auf Wiedersehen. These three are for informal emails or informal letters also you could use, but here it is very respectful and formal letter. So go for mit freundlichen Grüßen.